So in this video, you'll learn how to pair your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds to your Android phone. So pairing is very simple. All you need to do is simply start by opening the Bluetooth settings on your phone. And then once you've launched Bluetooth, it's time to put the buds in pairing mode. To do that, open the case and ensure that the buds are inside. Next, at the very back, next to this charging port, you should see a button. So what you want to do is press on this button for at least 3 seconds until this light starts blinking. So press on it, and then 1, 2, 3. When it starts blinking like that, you can then come back to your Bluetooth settings on your Android phone, and then you want to select search or scan depending on your device. Once you've done that, you should see it appearing in the list of available devices. So tap on it and then select pair to establish the connection. Once you've done that, you can now start using your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds to listen to any audio coming from your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.